When we talk about government accredited training, we're talking about a rigorous process that one must go through in order to get the course accredited. So our somatics and dance movement therapy course is accredited with ASQA, Australian Skills Quality Assurance, and in order to get that established as an accredited course at the level that it is, which is graduate diploma, and the way that it goes is you might have a diploma, an advanced diploma, a bachelor's degree, a graduate certificate, and then a graduate diploma. So this course is actually quite a high-end academic training program, but in order for us to be able to put that stamp onto our training and issue the qualifications to graduates, we had to go through a process of letting ASQA know we had an intention to accredit. That took about 7 months to have that process written and processed by the government. And then we have to write all of the units of competency, rationale for why there's a need for this course, establish who the target market is, and to write all the materials, and then present that to ASQA for an accreditation process. And that took approximately 8 to 9 months to get through the accreditation board. So I can say, if you come across a course that is government accredited, it has not been written overnight, and you will be in the hands of professionals who know exactly how to deliver good training.